In this video, we are going to see how we can fix the Discord error 1105 in Windows 10 or Windows 11, which says that it's temporary unavailable. So if you're trying to access a particular page and it's not working, just wait for a while and make sure your internet is correctly working and just refresh it after some time and it should work. The first solution, although it's pretty basic, but that can be a problem as well. And after that, just restart your computer as well to make this effective. And if it still doesn't solve the problem, what you can do is just go to start menu and just right here CMD. Just right click on that and run as administrator. And once we are in here, and just right here, let me just zoom it a little bit so that you can see everything clearly. ipconfig, give a space /flush DNS, hit enter, and it says successfully flushed the DNS resolver cache. And now we want to write again netsh space winsock space reset, hit enter, and it says successfully reset the winsock catalog. You must restart the computer in order to make this effective. So let's just restart the computer. So that's pretty much it, guys. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.